Hayes is interested in being in the performance motorcycle market. They were the sole supplier of Harley for a long time. They make more motorcycle brakes in the heavyweight market than anybody else. The performance side needed a little bit of improvement and testing and even market presentation to make people aware of the brand. The part everybody focuses on with a superbike tends to be motors. Everybody's interested in an engine going fast, and these bikes go fast. So the BMW is exceptional. It just takes very few modifications on our part to make it the fastest bike out here, which we were yesterday on our own. The hard part is actually getting it to handle and slow down, so people don't realize we're on the brakes more than we're on the throttle. The motorcycles accelerate so hard that we're probably on the brakes 35% of the time on most racetracks. So that's been the interesting challenge with the Hayes, is to get the feel and the performance so that they're class leading. And we've done joint co-development with BMW on this, tracks here and tracks in Europe. And we've got the product so that it exceeds the other competitors' performance.
BMW is a huge name. I mean, everybody knows BMW, right? Especially even if you're a motorcycle racer or not, you know, cars and motorcycles. And we got a little bit of a smaller truck, a little bit of a smaller crew than most, but I think these guys focus on the essentials and focus on what's important. And sometimes it's not all the flashy stuff that you see or the big trucks or all that stuff. They focus on what matters, right? And that's getting the bike to perform and do what we want to do and be involved with the people that are going to help with that priority, which is just making the bike go as best we can and using the best products and companies and getting the best support and the smartest people and getting that development going.
Well, the relationship with Scheibe Racing has been awesome. The ability to test our product and give credibility to our product has been really valuable, particularly for our relationship with BMW. They want that credibility known, and so the idea of putting a product in the race circuit is really valuable to us. By the way, it's not the only race circuit we're engaged in. In the snowmobile space, we're the premium used in the snowmobile market space too, which is as challenging or more challenging than the motorcycle space.
Literally, when we were finishing the development of the caliper itself for Hayes, we came from the snowcross environment where we did some of the testing, and then we went to the Milwaukee BMW dealership, literally, and purchased a street bike. So we took the street bike and converted it to a race bike. And that's what you see behind us. We have 2 race bikes purchased from the Milwaukee BMW dealership. The engine's been incredible, the bike's incredible, and the support is available, and it all works very well.
I'd say that Harley-Davidson was a great opportunity to learn what it meant to work with a very complex OEM, an original equipment manufacturer, especially in the motorcycle space, and what it took to develop a product that met their standards.
So of course it's exciting to be out here with friends and family and working with other technical people to achieve our results out here. That's fun. I like being in the paddock. It's exciting. I've been doing this a long time. But what's even more rewarding is to have the results of your effort being worldwide distribution and enjoyment.
When I came in this year, I was really pleasantly surprised to see how well the Hayes brakes have worked, and I know now firsthand. I get to see how hard everybody's working on all the stuff and seeing it to move forward and seeing it to come to fruition and seeing it right there on one of those beautiful bikes is really cool.
MotoAmerica gives us the opportunity to truly test technologies, use technologies in the toughest applications. We've already begun the development of a rear caliper and the rotors to match with the X32, which is the product that you're seeing on the BMW and in the race circuit today. We've also begun the development of a revolutionary new master cylinder, and we're taking that same technology and applying that in other marketplaces too.